people that are no smarter than you and me are making life-changing money on TikTok in 2024. I kid you not. Take this creator, for example. In the last 7 days alone, he has generated anywhere from 10,000, 20,000, all the way up to 40,000 as a TikTok shop affiliate. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And the crazy thing is, it's just a normal everyday person like you and me. He didn't have to do anything special. He didn't have to spend crazy amounts of money on advertising. In fact, he didn't have to spend anything at all on advertising. He's just creating TikTok videos like he normally would, except he's promoting a product from a TikTok shop. But the question that you've probably got on your head, how many videos did he have to create to make this much? What product is he promoting? How can you see this video for yourself, or these videos for yourself? How can you learn what they're saying in these videos? What hashtags are they using? What sounds are they using? What country are they from? Even are they in the UK, US, or somewhere else? How is all of this possible in just 7 days? Well, the crazy thing is, I can prove it all to you. In fact, let's jump into my screen and let me show you. I'm going to show you where exactly I found this information. I'm also going to circle back for those of you that have been living under a rock that don't know exactly what TikTok shop is. I'm just going to briefly touch on that, and then we're going to work out how much commissions this creator is making exactly, and kind of decipher where I come up with that amount so you can see where these amounts come from. And also, finally, we're going to talk about how you can get a piece of the action as well, how you can benefit from all this information if you are someone that's looking to join TikTok shop as an affiliate, especially if you're a beginner affiliate as well in 2024. Things are going absolutely crazy on TikTok in 2024. In terms of where I found this information, I've gone into a little website called Kalo Data. As you can see on the screen there, it's a really useful insights tool that tells you what to sell, what's selling well in different places. It shows you leaderboards of creators that are doing well as TikTok shop affiliates, but more importantly, it shows you what's working and what's selling best in the last 7 days. You can see what sold best yesterday, in the last 30 days, etc. So it shows you all this useful information for you to make informed decisions about what niches to go into, what shops to sell products from, and what creators you can also copy, not carbon copy, but creators that you can model and do what they're doing in order to try and make as much money as they're making as well. So it's really a Swiss Army knife for if you are a new TikTok shop affiliate and you're taking this thing seriously and you are trying to make as much money as you can and possibly change your life in 2024, because literally people are doing that. And the crazy thing is, these are not all big creators. Some of the smallest creators are making some of the highest revenues on here on TikTok shop. Now, I've linked Kalo Data in the description as well, so you can explore it and try their free trial and have a look at this data for yourself. This is the creator that I'm talking about. These are his metrics, and these are the videos that they've created as well. But we're going to circle back to this in just a second. Firstly, I just want to talk about what TikTok shop is. For those of you that have been living under a rock, TikTok shop, as you can see there, is an integrated e-commerce feature within the popular social media app TikTok. It's a one-stop shop for both buying and selling. Now, for buyers, you can discover and purchase products directly on the app. You can browse products through the in-feed video and live streams, product showcase, and shop tab as well. For sellers, so for the shops, brands and creators, you can showcase and sell products to the engaged TikTok community. You can utilize various features to promote and manage your shop. So shops primarily sell products on TikTok, and creators promote products on behalf of these shops. And this is where the money-making opportunity is. You are selling, or you are promoting the product on your videos on behalf of the seller, and the seller gives you a cut of whatever commissions that you make from promoting the product. Now, the crazy part is, you know how viral TikTok can get, and the crazier part is when TikTok is motivated because they're going to make money from your video, they push the virality factor to the next level as well. Yes, a lot of it is controlled by buyer behavior. Yes, a lot of it is controlled by how people react to your videos, but there is also motivation for TikTok to push out your videos, even if you're a tiny creator, if there are signs that people are interacting with your video and buying these products. Are people actually buying products? Are they actually clicking on these links on TikTok and purchasing products and getting them sent to their address? You look at these stats, the answer is simple. Yes. If we look at this leaderboard here, for example, this is the product section of the Kalo Data website, and you can see the leaderboard of what creators are doing well, selling what products over the last 7 days. This creator at the top here, Miss Sydney, has generated 180,000 in revenue. They've sold 16,000 products, and that's how much revenue they've brought in for the shop. And they would have easily received a cut of 20, maybe 30% out of that. Even 10% would be crazy out of that. Another creator there, they've made 29,000 in the last 7 days, and this is mostly live revenue. So this is someone that goes live a lot, and they would have received a percentage of selling these products, and so forth. The creator that I'm focusing on today, same thing. He's made 81,000 in the last 7 days promoting TikTok Shop products. As you can see, they're mostly doing it on videos. They don't go live at all, but still, that is crazy amount of money. And this is specifically for this product, by the way. That's why that is lower than what you can see on their page here. That's just for one product. But if we look on their page, they are selling multiple different products. They're not selling one product. So that in a nutshell is what TikTok Shop is, and that's how it ties into Kalo Data. In terms of looking at how much commissions this creator is making and the mechanics of that, very quickly, I'm just going to show you the creator's profile here on Kalo Data. And what I've done again is go into Kalo Data, the website, and I've gone into the creator section here after seeing this creator on the leaderboard. What we can see here is that they've got at the top, on the top right hand corner, 69.43k followers over on TikTok. So that's how many followers they've got. That's when they started their account, and we can see what their username is on TikTok, and we can also see their TikTok handle on the far right hand corner there. In fact, if I click on that, that'll take us straight onto their TikTok, so we can see their profile. As you can see, that's just loaded up, and you can see that they are someone that is motivated and promoting a lot of products. They're showing their face in their videos, and I mean, why wouldn't you when you're making as much money as they are? They've got that specific video there that's got 14 million views, and they've got that video there that's got 6.7 million views as well. So they're doing pretty well. They've also got this video that's got 1.4 million views. Now, traditionally, on the other ways that you can monetize on TikTok, like the Creativity Program Beta, yes, these are pretty good views, but I can guarantee you, you will not make anywhere near as much as you can make as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And the crazier part is, if you're within the Creativity Program Beta and you're an affiliate, you can benefit from both as well. If these videos are over a minute long where you're promoting products, not only have you got the potential to sell the products and earn commission, but you've also got the potential of earning money from the Creativity Program Beta as well on that very same video. And I've got a video that I've released in the past on this channel where I go through a case study of a creator that did exactly just that. But I digress. Going back to Kalo Data, what else we can see here, so we can see their core metrics. If I go a bit further down, you can filter their information by the last 7 days and by the last 30 days, or you can just look at yesterday. I've chosen to filter it by the last 7 days, so from the 21st of February up until the 22nd of February, so we can see how they've done just in the last week. And overall, we can see they've sold 107,200k's worth of products. And they've done nothing live, so they've not sold true live sessions. They probably don't even do live sessions. This is mainly just video revenue. So from them creating videos as you normally would do on TikTok, attaching TikTok Shop products on those videos and promoting them. Now, we can also see the average unit price. That's not very important, to be honest. But we can also see the video views. So overall, how many views they've received in the last 7 days on these videos that they've published here. We can also see how many new followers they've received, but again, that's not very important on TikTok Shop because they don't worry about how many followers you get. All they worry about is this amount here. How much revenue are you generating? I've seen accounts that have 2,000 followers making more revenue than accounts that have got 50,000 followers here on Kalo Data, which is absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, overall, now, in terms of commission on TikTok Shop, what they were selling is these products right here. So at the very bottom, we can see the videos that they've created. There's various pages as well, but we're not going to go through all those pages. But this gives you an idea of what videos they are creating and what products they are promoting in those videos. You can see how long the video is. You can see the hashtags on their TikTok video. You can see how much revenue they generated from that one particular video and how many views they got on that one particular video as well. In this case, we can see the product they're promoting is Body Juice oil, and in another video they're promoting this Guru Nanda Cocoa Mint Pulling Oil. They've got fragrances there, and so forth and so forth. But all we're interested in is their total revenue that they've generated, which is the amount that they've sold on behalf of all these shops that they've sold for in this week. This is what they have made in total. Now, as a TikTok Shop affiliate, we know that they get a commission percentage out of that amount. Now, again, looking through different TikTok affiliate shops, and from my own experience as a TikTok Shop affiliate, the minimum that shops will offer you, especially when you're someone that does well as a TikTok Shop affiliate, is 10%. That's the minimum. But remember, they want to attract you to sell as many of their products as possible. And the only way to attract creators is to up their commission, especially if there's someone with an account like this, someone that's dedicated, committed, showing up and promoting different products and generating and converting people and generating revenue as well. So it's very, very likely they would have offered them anywhere around 20 to even 30% for promoting these products. But if we say, for example, the creator only made 20% revenue out of all these products, this is how much they would have created just in the last 7 days alone. 21,440. This is based on 20% commission. If we say, okay, they only received 10% commission, then all we need to do is just divide that by 2, and they would have made 10,720. Wow, very, very sad, very disappointing that they made 10,720 in the last 7 days as profit that they were taking home and putting in their pocket. But also we could say that they received 40% commission. All we do is just multiply that by 4, which they may very well could have received, and they could have made 42,880 in the last 7 days promoting products as a commission percentage out of this revenue amount. I'll repeat it again. People are becoming rich on TikTok in 2024 as TikTok Shop affiliates. Now, again, I've linked Kalo data in the description. This specific version is for the United States. As you can see on the top right hand corner, if I click on the drop down, there's different versions of data for the different countries. The United Kingdom, which is where I'm based, is going to be dropping soon. I think it's early Q2 in 2024.